Hey, what's up, YouTube? So last night we got the motor and transmission in the car. The dowel pin finally came in that we ordered from Amazon, so we were able to get that on and make the block and the transmission together, and we actually got them in the car pretty easily. Gonna cut to the time-lapse video of it going in the car. Afterwards, I'll come back and I'll kind of show you all everything and kind of talk about it a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Went in really, really easy. We were actually a little bit surprised. Didn't have to beat the tunnel one bit. We were having a little bit of trouble at first. We couldn't get the trans and the motor to mate real easily because they should literally just fall right together. As soon as you get the converter in and it falls in 3 times, you should be able to mate it right to the block with no problem at all. We kept having a little bit of issues, so we kept thinking maybe it wasn't just level or something like that, but they actually included a spacer that we thought we probably needed that we had attached with the flex plate. This right here, it was kind of keeping it out, which we never really tightened it up much or anything like that. So we didn't we didn't push on it any or anything like that. So that's good. We pulled that right out and it fell right together. I mean, like butter. So no problems there. We removed the core support up front, which is super easy to do. Just a few bolts in there. Missing some paint now, but race car. But all together, got it in there. No damage to the car at all. Getting it in. Did hang the headers, make life a little easier. Look how much room there is in there, y'all, with those new motor mounts. Look at that. It's insane. Those tubular mounts, how much room's in there now. So there's your 400 attached right there. Look how much room you have in that tunnel right there. Did not have to do anything to make it fit. Now we are going to have a little bit of trouble with making a trans mount. We've got an idea. Probably we're just going to end up making a spacer. So if you guys get down here and look, I've got my I got the trans pretty level right there. It might not be 100%. The jack might have bled off a little bit from last night. I need to get a jack stand underneath there and quit being a lazy ass, but I'll do that here in just a few minutes. I got another 6-ton I'll stick underneath there. Look at them Cook's headers, boys. I'll tell you this, just hanging them last night, the flanges and everything, just how they were, flat. They made it perfect, everything. They're worth the money. Go ahead and spend it. I'll go ahead and tell you that. But you guys kind of see, there's a lot of room in this tunnel, and literally everything looks level from the engine pan back. We stuck a level on it last night and made sure, but I'm gonna have to make a mount here. So I've got just an old Turbo 400 mount which sits here. Trans mount I moved back 1 bolt, so it would bring it back here. So I should be able to make some sort of aluminum block there. Buy an aluminum block. I've got the measurements for it, and just kind of drill it into the existing trans. Remember, put 2 more holes and bolts and nuts through the floor right there for new mounting positions. And I already got a drive shaft already made. I got that in the closet in there, 1 piece. Actually bought that from Kevin Martin. Nearly there. Stock axles, boys. We're gonna send her on some radials, see how they like them. Yeah, there she is, y'all. She's in the car. Gonna have to figure out the cooling system. I have to go up and get the radiator here in just a little bit and kind of let it in there and see what's gonna have to be blocked off or whatnot. Because I'm not gonna run the heater hoses right now. I mean, ain't no point. Then we did delete the aux coolers down there as well too. They're gone, not going back on. So just the main radiators going back in the car. I mean, I'm probably saving maybe 15, 20 pounds by getting rid of those aux radiators. And it's right off the nose, y'all. Adds up. Kind of got everything out. Got all the wiring and everything done. I'll make a separate video on that later. But guys, the motor's in the car. Trans is in the car. I was hoping to be done already, but you hit roadblocks and stuff. So maybe give me another week and a half. See this thing cruising down the street, gapping some fools. Right up at Kentucky Dragway with some of the best prep around, cutting them 60 foots, leaving off that trans brake. Ooh, yeah, race car. Street car, what am I talking about? Little stock bottom end action coming right at you, boys. Thanks for watching.